Hello, my beautiful food lovers. Welcome to Luscious Kabe, your cozy corner for easy, mouth-watering recipes crafted with love, a sprinkle of joy, and everyday ingredients. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home chef, we're here to make cooking fun, simple, and absolutely delicious. So, tie up your hair, put on that apron, and let's whip up some magic together. Let's get cooking, and let's make every bite unforgettable. Add cooking oil. Add mutton or chicken. Mix well and continue cooking. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix well and continue cooking. Add salt to taste. Mix well and continue cooking. Add water. Mix well and continue cooking. Add tomatoes. Continue cooking on high flame. Remove the tomato skin once they're soft in about 10 minutes. Cover and simmer. Mix well and continue cooking. Cover and simmer. Mix well and continue cooking. Add green chilies. Mix well and continue cooking. Cover and simmer. Add black pepper powder. Mix all the contents softly. Cover and simmer. Add ginger. Add green chilies. Add fresh coriander or cilantro. Cover and simmer. Delicious mutton karahi is ready to be enjoyed. It can be served with naan or paratha. Enjoy! Don't forget to hit subscribe or follow button so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Show the love by sharing these recipes with friends and family, because good food is meant to be enjoyed together. Also, do like and share your thoughts by commenting.